दिस इज़ कलाकृति। कलाकृति से आप थोड़ा सा अंदर आएंगे रोड से। सो ये है आगरा टेंट्स का। एंड अंदर जाके ये आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ ये ओपन एरिया है, आप इसका प्राइवेट स्पेस हो जाएगा। ये आप देख सकते हैं, इस एरिया में आप चिल कर सकते हैं। दिस होल एरिया वुड बी योर स्पेस इफ यू गेट ऑल द टेंट्स।
ब्लॉक मत करना भाई, ब्लॉक नहीं करना। ऑन तो है सर। हाँ ऑन है सर।
तो गाइस अब मैं हूँ आगरा कैंप्स एंड रिसोर्ट्स में, और यहाँ पे ये ताजमहल के बहुत पास है। एंड यहाँ पे काफ़ी कुछ 6 टेंट्स हैं। एंड अगर आप एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस के लिए आ रहे हैं या कुछ मैरिज के लिए प्लान कर रहे हैं, सो दिस इज़ द आइडियल प्लेस फॉर दैट। आई विल शो यू द व्यू। सो एज आई सेड, मैंने आपको थोड़ा डे टाइम में दिखाया था। ये हैं हमारे टेंट्स। ये सारा ओपन एरिया है, आप शादी वादी के लिए प्लान कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे प्राइवेट स्पेस कर सकते हैं, ले सकते हैं एज अ पार्टी। अगर आप 6 के 6 टेंट्स बुक करते हैं। ये देखिए सिटिंग एरिया है, बट अभी कुछ भी अरेंज नहीं है। अभी ये बस एक ओपन एरिया हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं। अभी यहाँ पे एक न्यू ईयर की भी पार्टी हुई थी। एंड वी आर ऑन 4th Jan टुडे 2021। ये आई कैन सी सम ब्यूटिफुल फ्लावर्स हेयर एंड सम स्पेशलिटी अबाउट हेयर। ताजमहल के बहुत पास है। एंड आपको जस्ट गूगल पे डालना है कलाकृति या आगरा कैंप्स एंड रिसोर्ट्स के नाम से है ये वैसी जगह। आप यहाँ पे भी आ सकते हैं। एंड दीज आर द फ्लावर्स। दिस इज़ ब्यूटिफुल अरेंजमेंट फॉर सिटिंग एंड चिलिंग, फॉर डिनर और मे बी फॉर जस्ट हैविंग स्नैक्स। एंड ये सामने इट इज़ लाइक कबाना और समथिंग, लाइक कबाना और समथिंग। एंड ये टेंट्स हैं फॉर डेकोरेशन। एंड यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कुछ वॉल पेंटिंग्स हैं एंड बच्चों के लिए झूला वूला झूलने के लिए। प्रॉब्ली ये अभी और अपग्रेड होगा। एंड आगे आप देख सकते हैं ये पूरा एरिया। एंड देन आई विल शो यू वन मोर थिंग विच इज़ इंक्लूडेड इन द पैकेजेस विच दे सेल। सो ये एक एरिया है जहाँ पे एक फार्मर के साथ सेशन होता है ऑर्गेनिक गार्डन का, ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग का। तो अब यहाँ पे जैसे कैसे ब्रोकली निकलती है, कैसे बनती है, ये सामने आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे। तो ये यहाँ इस एरिया में होता है। ये यहाँ पे झूला है एंड ये एक पूरा एरिया है. दिस यू कैन हैव दिस होल स्पेस एज योर प्राइवेट स्पेस. एंड इफ इन केस यू वांट टू बुक दिस, आप इन लोगों से भी बात कर सकते हैं आगरा कैंप से, या आप वॉयज की हमारी जो वेबसाइट है, यू ऑलरेडी नो, जस्ट one click away, contact us and you can get this booked. And we are taking bookings for January, February and March right now. And यहाँ पे एक और स्पेशलिटी, खाना जो सर्व होता है वो पत्तल की थाली वगैरह में होता है, तो वो काफ़ी आपको अट्रैक्टिव लगता है. और मैं आपको टेंट दिखाता हूँ. टेंट्स बंद हैं यहाँ पे. एंड so I'm opening the tent. अब अंदर चलते हैं. बहुत क्यूट टेंट है ये. ये रहा टेंट. एक सोफा है आपके लिए. ये है ऑयल हीटर एंड ये केटल एंड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लैम्प. ये लाइट्स, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लाइट्स. एंड ये है अगेन लैम्प एंड साइड टेबल. ये है हमारा बेड. ये मैं आपको और अच्छे से दिखा देता हूँ. और अब हम आगे चलते हैं. इट्स नॉट येट ओवर. ये सामने है एक आपके लिए अलमीरा फॉर कीपिंग योर स्टफ. एंड देन वी हैव द वॉशरूम. एंड यहाँ लाइट मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ, तो यहाँ पे लाइट जो है ये लाइट जला दी मैंने वॉशरूम की. तो ये रहा वॉशरूम और ये है एरिया. ये एक बार दोबारा से मैं आपको रूम दिखा देता हूँ. बहुत ही प्यारा सा टेंट है एंड यू कैन स्टे हेयर फॉर अ वेरी डिसेंट कॉस्ट एंड यू कैन बुक द टूर विद अस ऑन आवर वेबसाइट, दैट इज www.voyage.in. ये एक शाम का व्यू है. So guys, आप यहाँ आ सकते हैं. You can also book all the 6 tents. There are like 6 tents here in total. This is near Taj Mahal. आप ये देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे you can have your own gala time. And ये आप देख सकते हैं थोड़ा सा. तो ये कमाना है and यहाँ पे गेस्ट आ रखे हैं कुछ. तो गाइज मैं हूँ यहाँ टेंट्स के वन ऑफ द ओनर्स के साथ. सो योर नेम?
Hi, my name is Pallav Goyal, and I would like to welcome you. We have a beautiful place called Public Restaurant and Agra Camps and Resort. This is the first resort in the history of Agra. As you can see, we have 6 luxurious Swiss cottage tents for the customers, and obviously this ground you can see here, we sell it for wedding purposes.
As well as a private space, I think.
We can arrange any private parties, birthday parties, kiddie parties, and we do serve multi-cuisine restaurant which is public.
Okay.
We are 3 partners, Mr. Ashish Bhatnagar, Mr. Yashashvi Ponia, and we have collaborated with a very good company in Delhi, that is
Voyage.
Voyage.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a unique name, so sometimes your tongue gets...
We got this name for trademark and legal purposes. VOYJ.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And Vibhu, I tell you guys, he's the most heartwarming man.
Thanks a lot.
We have been associated with. I wish him all the best for his ventures.
Thanks a lot.
And we wish that our collaboration grows.
So we are planning to do exclusive marketing for them, and also we are planning to come up with some new things, and we are already doing some great things in the in terms of activities along with the package what we sell to the clients. Like if you can just talk about them, like organic farming and all that.
Yeah, of course. First of all, let me introduce this place. We are very much near to the eastern gate of Taj Mahal. That is 1.5 kilometers away from this place.
All right.
And we are so very much connected with the nature. It's all quiet, very peaceful, and we have all the surveillances done. And as far as the food is concerned, we do, like I said earlier, we serve the multi-cuisine restaurant. And we do have ample parking space.
Is it open restaurant?
This is basically we have converted into our office. But
Okay.
I can show you what.
All right. So basically, the restaurant, the food is served in the tents, and you can also have outside to have a unique experience. So there's something different. So that's great. And so instead of having a mini restaurant, you can have your own gala time outside, and these are the places where you can easily sit and have your lunch, dinner,
And
or
one more thing I would
breakfast.
like to mention that we don't serve food on the plates. We are very much connected to the nature, like I said. So we use mudwares, so that whatever we are taking from the nature, we are giving it back.
Yeah.
And I
So
hope every one of you to have a kind visit of yours, pay your kind visits and experience something different, better, and something new.
right. And okay. So thanks,
We
Mr.
do have
Goel.
organic farming done here, and
Yeah.
I'll show you around. Come.
Yeah.
We have planted broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, spinach, coriander, garlic, onions, and the potatoes are being farmed in the different field we have.
Okay. So like, so what do I learn in that session? Like when I usually have with farmers, when I visit here, what do I really learn?
This is basically keeping in mind that we nowadays eat a lot of chemical inclined food. Here we have tried very much organic farming, which are chemical less, so that people can enjoy the real taste of the vegetables, healthy vegetables. We tend to keep our clients healthy. We wish them good health, and whenever you guys will be coming here,
Yeah.
you will feel the difference.
That's great. And also I've heard like you guys are, I mean, helping clients, you know, this is in the package that you give a horse cart to the clients
Of course,
for,
yes.
to, yeah,
Yes, we
please.
do. We arrange the horse carting and camel carting.
For Taj Mahal, if you
Taj
really want to go to
Mahal.
Taj
Yes,
Mahal,
yes.
and that is a different and unique experience. What I would like to say, and
That
also,
can remind you in the ancient history, you know,
Yeah.
people, they are coming on the
Yeah.
horses and so
Yeah.
you feel that kind of aura.
yeah, right. And I've also heard you are also arranging bicycles for clients if they
Bicycle,
want
yeah,
to.
Yeah, that's right. That's
Yeah.
right. And we are doing all these, we are facilitating our clients, just their health consciousness we have kept in mind. So I think that's a great idea, and we have done something really new. We
Yeah.
have tried to facilitate our clients with the newest parts.
Right.
What hotel can't give you,
Yeah.
we are here to give you that.
That's the reason that you, whenever you visit Agra, you can rather visit the tents instead of going to, you know, a very, you
Instead
know,
of going
a
to
typical
all those
hotel like, you know.
pollution places, this
Oh,
is,
yeah.
we don't have any
I mean,
pollution here.
Ramada is everywhere, Taj is everywhere, but these tents are not everywhere, what I would like to say. And in Agra, this is the only
independence
place
is
where you
not
will find.
everywhere. The independence, the
Exactly.
independence is not everywhere.
So if you book all the 6 tents, you will have this space as your own personal and space for your
Exactly,
gala time,
exactly.
which is something really amazing. And you can also play here in
We
this
give
area.
Our customers, we
Yeah.
give our clients a very cozy atmosphere.
Yeah,
They can plan any,
yeah.
they can plan whatever they want, however they want, and we are here to serve them.
With some safety and
With
security
some-
as well.
yeah.
We have
do
a lot
all the
of guards
CCTV
here.
cameras, so
Yeah.
there is no safety issues here. And like I said, we are 3 partners, so we have developed to work in the shifts.
Right. And
So
we
we
are
are
assisting you with all the
Of
marketing
course,
and
of
digital
course,
marketing.
and not to mention, but Vibhu is very much helpful, and
Thanks a lot.
guys, you please like, subscribe his page, follow him, make your journey be more comfortable with him. His company is very much renowned, and he's a very
Thanks a lot.
resourceful man.
And we'll make sure that you get these tents for really decent cost as much as possible.
And if you like, we can show you around inside.
I've shown it to the people, but I would like to. But he will, Mr. Goel will show the tents in his own way. So let's go and have a look. And I have also heard that you are planning to arrange yoga sessions for our clients in the morning or evening.
In the cart.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah,
So,
as soon as we get any bookings done.
okay.
So we have our yoga instructor ready.
So this is the
He
tent,
comes
guys.
and he gives the yoga session in the morning.
So I have entered the tent, and he would like to
Not
give.
only yoga, but people can enjoy the sunbathing. Like it's winter time and you can really enjoy sun.
Right.
You know? This is the room we have prepared.
Right. This is beautiful, and
Thank
the
you.
beds are amazing. And you can have an occupancy of double occupancy of 2 adults, and one more bed can be arranged on chargeable basis.
Yes.
And if there is a kid below 5 or 8 years old, I would say that could be complimentary. However, if you have 2 adult kids or kids above 8 years old, that would be an add-on, and we cannot arrange a tent for more than 4 people, I would say, and that too if we have 2 kids and 2 adults in total.
And this is the washroom area. It's
Now
all
this is the
concrete.
washroom.
and
So it's all Western
yeah.
washroom here. It's not any and a proper heating system is arranged there.
We have this almirah.
Yeah, this is a beautiful almirah.
Ancient style.
So guys, यहाँ पे we have facility of the geysers,
Hot water
everything
and cold water
for
both.
cold and
24/7.
hot and cold, and that's 24/7. So you don't have to worry about that. All the basic amenities and facilities have been taken care of. Now, one more thing about tent is that if you want to, if you are worried about the winter season, we have
We
very
have
good
oil
oil
heaters here,
heaters
and in
here.
the summers we are having those, standing ACs.
So you have standing ACs as well if you're coming in summers. So doesn't make any difference if you visit in summers or winters. And this is the kettle. And
This is again
the
something
lamp.
different. We don't serve in the glasses like you can see.
You can see
सामने
this.
के, glasses रखे हुए हैं so that people
Yeah,
can enjoy
this is amazing.
the healthy water in the morning.
Yeah, so that's amazing. That's amazing. And this is your own sofa. And the best part is you can hang your clothes here. And now let's come out and
The best part is you are dealing with the youngsters and youngsters are quite very cool and charming.
we are like you, and if you are not like us, then we can also arrange the tents for any age group.
Any age group,
We were
also.
just kidding. So now let's meet the other co-founders of Agra Tents. So let's catch up with them, and then these are beautiful. So what?
These are called as gazebos.
Gazebos. So
Yeah.
what was your idea? How does that? How did that come to arrange?
In Agra, in a place like Agra where we have so many rooftop cafes,
Right.
which is like overly crowded with the noise pollution and those
And in
capsule
a
kind of sittings.
COVID scenario, this is a very good concept,
because
like for your own
social
family.
distancing can
Yeah,
be followed here.
Yeah,
like you can
that's
see, we are
very-
so much spacious here,
yeah,
and we have introduced these gazebos, keeping foreigners in our minds because they like these kind of cozy sittings.
right,
Yeah.
right. So let's meet the other.
Meet the other two partners here.
Yeah. So now I'm with Mr. Ashish here. He's the other co-founder of Agra Tents. Anything you would like to say, as Mr. Goyal has explained everything about the area, about the beautiful tents and everything.
Okay, like we have categorized this property into 4 different parts. First of all, as you have seen, like camps. The other part
Yeah.
is the restaurant. We have open garden restaurant, and like we have also planned we have pre-wed shooting area also, and like we have a wedding garden area also. You can plan somewhere around like 500 to 800 people wedding.
So guys, this can be a good place for marriages as well, apart from your just a private gala place.
Yeah,
So what apart from that, you were saying, sorry, 4 different parts. Yeah.
Like camps, restaurant, pre-wedding area, and like wedding area.
So yeah.
Complete solution on a single place.
So, which you can find near Kalakriti, as I said, and this is like 1.5 kilometers from eastern wing of Taj Mahal.
Yes.
And so this is Mr. Ashish.
Yeah.
Anything else you would like to say?
it's fine, thank
So I think we are done about this, but let's meet the third co-founder, Mr. Yash. Anything you would like to conclude?
I think the taste of the food, the taste of our food is just excellent.
So what all can I have in the food, like in terms of dishes, veg, non-veg? Because what the other co-founder
We
he was
are
also saying.
providing every kind of dish that is from continental to, Indian food. The best part of our food is that some of the starters we are using from our own organic garden. The sources are from which are completely chemical free.
That is something great.
That is the thing, and our dal makhani you can challenge anywhere in the city. That is the best thing because we start preparing it a day before, So that is a
That's
thing that
great.
so no one is doing that in Agra for now basically. So this is what we are doing.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So I think we are done with the food and every arrangement here, and I think we'll have more. These places
little
for
kid zone
for
as
kids
well.
zone. We will have
We are
designed
also
so that
planning to put a little more.
if you come
sports
up with your
area.
family and everything, so we can have everything sorted here. So this is your own private space and a gala time space in a very bad time, I would say, of COVID, and everything is sorted because if you come up with your own family, you have just 6 tents and you can just book all the 6 tents either with us. We are doing the business all together, so that doesn't make any difference there. So this is about the co-founders, and thank you so much for your time. हमारी सबसे बात हो चुकी है ऑलरेडी. सो लेट यहाँ पे पार्किंग एरिया भी है अंदर. इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव अ लुक, आई विल जस्ट शो यू द व्यू. एंड आप अपनी कार भी पार्क कर सकते हैं इनसाइड द प्रेमाइसेस ऑफ द दिस लोकेशन. सो यू वोंट फाइंड एनी, यू वोंट गेट एनी चैलेंज, एंड द फूड इज़ लवली. इट्स अमेजिंग. आई हैव ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड. ये हमारा पार्किंग एरिया. तो यहाँ आप अपनी कार्स पार्क कर सकते हैं आराम से. And this is the whole view.